South India is dotted with amazing temples that go back thousands of years. One of my favorite memories growing up is visiting those temples with my parents and grandparents and enjoying the delicious prasadams served there. Today's recipe, a traditional Iyengar Puliyotharai served with Thayir Sadam or curd rice with papad or appalam. Our Puliyogare and Thayir Sadam are now ready to be served. The aroma is so good and makes me so nostalgic. So this can be served as a brunch, lunch or dinner meal. There's always beauty in simplicity. Keep it simple, keep it wholesome, and keep following me for more delicious recipes.